The Adventures of Drum Drum by Keith Jones. Drawings by Ian Hacking. Drum Drum gets the bird. Rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat, bang. There, the drum practice was over for the afternoon. His drum master went off, leaving Drum Drum outside in the garden. Suddenly, Drum Drum felt the tap-tap-tap-tap on his head. This feels different, thought Drum Drum. Again the steady light beat came again, tap, 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 tap. Drum Drum looked up, and there on his head was a small sparrow tapping his beak on Drum Drum's head. Suddenly, as quickly as he had arrived, the sparrow flew off. Not a bad rhythm, thought Drum Drum, but he would much prefer his master's beat than a beak.